Ever wondered how Charlie Munger, the investing genius, would approach turning a small sum of money into significant wealth? What are his secrets for making the most out of modest investments, and how can you apply his principles to achieve impressive financial growth? Understanding Charlie Munger's philosophy. Charlie Munger's investment philosophy is a treasure trove of wisdom for anyone looking to navigate the financial markets. At the heart of his approach is a strong emphasis on patience and long-term thinking. Munger believes that successful investing is not about quick wins, but rather about holding on to quality investments over time. This mindset allows investors to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the compounding effect of their investments. Another cornerstone of Munger's philosophy is the importance of continuous learning and knowledge accumulation. He famously stated that the best thing a human being can do is to have another human being know more. Munger encouraged investors to cultivate a habit of lifelong learning, whether through reading, attending seminars, or engaging in discussions. This commitment to knowledge not only enhances decision-making but also helps investors identify opportunities that others might overlook. To illustrate Munger's philosophy in action, consider his investment in Coca-Cola during the late 1980s. While many were skeptical about the beverage giant's future, Munger's deep understanding of the brand and its market potential led to significant gains. Conversely, Munger has also faced failures, such as his investment in the ill-fated US Air. These experiences highlight that even the best investors encounter setbacks, but it's the lessons learned that ultimately contribute to long-term success. By embracing Munger's principles, you can develop a robust investment strategy that stands the test of time. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start a financial journey. The power of compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's a process where the interest you earn on your investments is reinvested, allowing you to earn interest on your interest over time. This exponential growth is significant to wealth accumulation, as it can turn even small investments into substantial sums if given enough time. Let's consider a real-life example. If you invest just $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 7%, after 30 years, you will have approximately $7,612. This is the power of compound interest at work. Now, imagine if you started investing even earlier, say at age 20 instead of 30. By the time you reach 60, the same $1,000 could grow to over $20,000, simply because you allowed your money to work for you over a longer period. This illustrates the importance of starting small and investing early. Many people hesitate to invest because they think they need a large sum of money to begin. However, the key takeaway here is that every little bit counts. By making small, consistent investments and allowing compound interest to do its magic, you can set yourself up for significant financial growth in the long run. So start today and watch your wealth accumulate over time. Choosing the right investment vehicles. When it comes to investing small amounts of money, there are several viable options to consider, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Each of these investment vehicles offers unique benefits and risks, making them suitable for different types of investors. Starting with stocks, investing in individual companies can be exciting and potentially lucrative. The benefit is the possibility of high returns, especially if you choose a company that experiences significant growth. However, the risk lies in the volatility of the stock market. Individual stocks can fluctuate dramatically in value. Next, we have ETFs, which are collections of stocks or bonds that trade on an exchange like a single stock. They offer diversification, which can reduce risk, and typically have lower fees than mutual funds. However, while they are generally less risky than individual stocks, they can still be subject to market fluctuations. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. They're managed by professionals, which can be a significant advantage for beginners. However, they often come with higher fees and may have minimum investment requirements. Many successful investors, like Warren Buffett, started with small amounts. Buffett famously bought his first stock at age 11, demonstrating that even modest beginnings can lead to substantial wealth. By choosing the right investment vehicle, you can embark on your own journey toward financial success. Setting realistic goals. Setting achievable investment goals is a crucial step in your financial journey. The first step is to clearly define your financial objectives. Ask yourself what you want to accomplish with your investments. Are you saving for vacation, a new car, or perhaps retirement? By identifying specific goals, you can create a roadmap that guides your investment decisions and keeps you motivated. Next, consider the importance of time frames in goal setting. Different goals will have different timelines, and understanding these can help you choose the right investment strategies. Short-term goals such as saving for a vacation in the next year or two may require more conservative investments like high-yield savings accounts or short-term bonds. On the other hand, long-term goals such as retirement or buying a home in 10 years can benefit from more aggressive investments like stocks or mutual funds, which have the potential for higher returns over time. For example, if you aim to save $5,000 for a vacation in 2 years, you might set aside a specific amount each month in a savings account. Conversely, if your goal is to accumulate $100,000 for retirement in 30 years, you can invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, allowing your money to grow through the power of compounding. By setting realistic and time-bound investment goals, you can create a clear path to financial success. Remember, the key is to stay focused and adjust your strategies as needed to stay on track toward achieving your objectives. Learning from mistakes. In the world of investing, mistakes are not just inevitable, they can be invaluable learning experiences. Many famous investors have faced setbacks that shaped their future success. For instance, Warren Buffett, often regarded as one of the greater investors of all time, made a significant error when he invested in a textile company that ultimately failed. Instead of letting this setback define him, Buffett used it as a lesson to refine his investment strategy and focus on businesses with strong competitive advantages. Charlie Munger, Buffett's long-term partner, shares a similar perspective. He believes that mistakes should be viewed as opportunities for growth. Munger often emphasizes the importance of analyzing failures to understand what went wrong and how to avoid repeating those errors in the future. This mindset encourages investors to embrace their missteps rather than shy away from them, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. As you reflect on your own investment experiences, consider the lessons learned from any mistakes you may have made. Did you invest in a stock without doing thorough research? Or perhaps you panicked during a market downturn and sold at a loss? Each of these experiences can provide valuable insights into your investment strategy and decision-making process. By acknowledging and learning from mistakes, you can develop a more resilient approach to investing. Remember, every setback is a stepping stone toward becoming a more informed and successful investor. Embrace the journey and let your experiences guide you toward better financial decisions in the future. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.